We'll guide you through how to use iMessage on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. iMessage is Apple's messaging service, so we're going to guide you through using it. Make sure you watch this full guide as we're covering important information throughout this whole guide. So let's go and get started. First of all, you need to make sure you go and have it enabled. To do that, come out of the Messages app and open up your settings. Scroll to the bottom. You'll find the option for apps and you can tap there. Then you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for messages. It's going to be in M and it's alphabetical. So go and find it and tap on it. Scroll down and go and find iMessage and you need to go and hit the switch. It'll go and say waiting for activation. It should quickly do this. It shouldn't take long. Then it's now activated. You can press send and receive and choose the emails and phone numbers you want to be able to go and receive messages to. And you can also go and choose where you're sending from as well. After you've done that, you can come and return to the Messages app. So how iMessage goes and works is that you do need to be messaging a person who has iMessage also set up on an Apple device. If they don't, it won't go and work. So make sure they have it set up. I'll show you how you can go and check if they do in a moment. And it's also important to know that iMessage goes and uses the internet. It doesn't go and use your traditional network provider, that's SMS. But you can go and use it with mobile data or cellular data or Wi-Fi and the internet. So you can press the new message button in the bottom right or compose, and you can then type in a contact or a number or an email, and you're going to know that it's working with iMessage because it appears as blue. So you can go and tap on a number or email, and then in the message box it says iMessage, and when you start typing in, you'll go and see a blue send button, which you can then go and press to go and send, and that's it. We're now successfully using iMessage here, and you can go and contact this person. And when somebody goes and sends you a message from another Apple device like an iPhone, it should come through as an iMessage for you.